Good afternoon. Hey, as you all know, I am trying my best to keep everybody apprised of all the good deals that we can find out here at Harbor Freight mainly, but also at Home Depot, Lowe's, or wherever else we might find a good deal. I was just thinking, hardly anybody ever goes over the instant savings items that are available in the store. There are several at any given time. These are currently on sale until April 9th, the ones I'm going to show you. And this is not an exhaustive list, but I've picked up 20 or 25 that we can take a look at. So let's just take a look and see what they got here. These require no coupon and no membership. So first off, we got Rangers hard terrain gel knee pads, $9.99. They're 37% off. That's a great deal if you need some nice gel knee pads. Here's the Jupiter 6-foot 2 AWG inverter cable set. This is a great deal. You can look it up on Amazon or Walmart or wherever you want. I don't think you're going to beat this price for a 2 AWG. This is good for not just an inverter, but also anything else like your golf cart, you're changing your over to lithium or whatever. These are just solid number 2 cables, $34.99, and they're 6 foot long. I think it's a great deal. Need some lids to go with all them buckets you get for free? Well, a few of mine I like to have a lid on because I store things in. They got them on sale for $1.99. No coupon needed. Need some additional cinch straps. Here's some cam buckle tie downs, a 4-pack, $6.99. Got them 30% off. That's a solid deal. Here's a 3/8 by 25 foot rubber air hose with a 1/4 inch NPT fittings. 20% off, $11.99 if you need a new air hose. That seems like a pretty good deal. Pistol grip tire inflator. You got these sitting on your compressors when they're, just sitting there. They're very handy if you need to air something up pretty quick, and you don't have to get out your gauge. It's right there handy, $8.99. Hitch pins. If you ever pull one out and set it somewhere, you lose it. So it doesn't hurt to have a couple extra. Plus, most of us could probably use a couple extra anyway. Maybe they're a little bit bent up or rusted or whatever. $2.99 a piece. That's a pretty good deal. How about a 2,000 watt continuous with a 4,000 watt peak pure sine wave power inverter? If you're running sensitive equipment off of a generator out in the field or anytime and during a power outage, your sensitive electronics really need a pure sine wave coming into them to avoid any problems with your equipment. So here's one, $259.99, 2,000 watts, 20 bucks off. Pretty good savings. Here's some E-Track tie-down anchors. They got them 28% off, $4.99. How about some tongue and groove joint pliers? Here's a 4-piece set. It's the Pittsburgh brand. They're lifetime warranted. They're a solid set. They're not Icon, but they're a solid set. $11.99. Wouldn't hurt to have a couple if you need them in multiple places. You could leave a set in your shed, your garage, your basement, your glove box. I'm telling you what I do. How about a disposable suit? I would call this by a brand name, but this isn't that brand name. So this is made by Ranger. But anyway, they've got them 27% off, and extra large and extra large, $7.99. Need an extra 3/8 drive SAN metric set just to have around, once again, in a glove box or in a remote place where you don't want to run get your tools every time you need something. Well, here's you a nice, high-quality, lifetime warranted Pittsburgh set for $19.99. No coupon needed. These things are always invaluable in the shop or anywhere else. Anytime they're on sale and I go by, I usually always pick me up at least a pack, maybe a couple of packs. 50% off, 12 towels for $4.99. Very handy. You don't have to worry about getting them greasy if you have to throw them away. It's a really good price and no coupon needed this time. Here's another inverter. This one's bigger. It's 5,000 watt continuous. That's a pretty good size load, but there are you guys out there that need this. It's $329.99, and it is the modified sine wave, so it will protect your electronics. Here's a Warrior set, what I call a one and done. But anyway, a nice little set to have. You just an occasional use. $4.99 for a 13-piece set, and they do have the hex shank on them, so they're easy change in and out. Pretty good deal. 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, 13-piece. These are not the deep wells, these are the regular shallow. But anyway, 1/2-inch drive, $16.99. Brake clean, I got it on sale for $4.99 a can. If you need a couple cans when you're at the store, remember it's in there and no coupon needed. Tarps are always in pretty good deal at Harbor Freight. Here's 11 foot by 15 foot, $16.99, 15% off. How about a 100-foot extension cord? It's a 12/3 gauge, but still it's a solid value at $59.99. As you notice, as metal prices went up, these extension cords and anything electrical cable wise has went up. So this is a good deal. Just check around. These gloves, I use them for about anything when I'm outside. I mean, around the rose bushes, just around gardening. I mean, they grip really well, and if you get them dirty, $1.49. I don't mind throwing them away if I have to. So $1.49 a piece, 25% off. Pick you up a few pair. I think you'll enjoy them. How about a 3/8 and a 1/2-inch drive hex socket set? And this is, you know, for your, what I'll call Allen wrenches. $13.49, this is a Pittsburgh brand, 20% off. Wheel chocks, if you don't have some for your trailers, you well know things want to move. Most of us that don't have one handy, they'll grab a block for $5.99, no sense in looking for blocks. Get you a few chocks and add them to your collection. Here's a 2-ton compact trolley jack. This is what I'll call the traditional 2-ton jack. $39.99 is a solid price on it. They're good little jacks. Here's a moving blanket. I do have several of these around for various uses, but this one is the 6 foot by 7 foot. Well, not quite 7 foot, but anyway, 72 by 80 inch for $6.99, 22% off. This is thicker than the little black one. This is a really nice moving blanket by Franklin. And I believe that's all the things that I've pulled up for this particular video. I'll try to look at some more, but I wanted to share this with you because a lot of us don't think about the instant savings. We think about the super coupons, and we think about the parking lot sales, and we think about the ITC member sales, but there's a lot of good sales over there at any given time. And while you're in the store, if you remember a few of these, you might pick you up a couple and save you some money. If this video is any value to you, I'd appreciate a like and a share, and please subscribe. I am trying to grow the channel so that I can continue adding content that's valuable to you and me. With that said, hope everybody has a great rest of the day, and y'all take care.